Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to St. Albert, Alberta, a vibrant city brimming with natural beauty and rich history. Nestled along the banks of the Sturgeon River, just northwest of Edmonton, this charming community is surrounded by rolling hills, lush parks, and scenic trails that invite exploration. St. Albert was founded in the 1860s by Father Albert Lacombe, a Catholic missionary, and grew as a Métis settlement and fur trade hub, leaving a legacy of cultural diversity and resilience. Today, it blends small-town warmth with modern amenities, featuring a lively downtown with local shops, art galleries, and festivals that celebrate its heritage. Whether you're strolling through the river valley, visiting the historic sites, or enjoying the friendly community spirit, St. Albert offers a warm welcome to all who visit. Thank you for joining us on this tour of St. Albert, Alberta. Thanks for watching!